Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Again, my name is Gina, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a snapshot in GoHighLevel. A snapshot allows you to save funnels, workflows, pipelines, and other system assets so you can reuse them in other accounts or share them with clients. I'll walk you through the actual steps inside the GoHighLevel so you can follow along. Think of a snapshot as a template or a backup of sub-account. Instead of building everything from scratch, you can package your existing setup and reuse it anytime. This is especially useful if you work with multiple clients or manage several accounts. So, from your agency dashboard, go to Account Snapshots. It's on the left side, and this is where all your saved snapshots are stored. So right now, there's no snapshot created yet. And since this is our first time, we will click this Create New Snapshot. So here you'll be asked to choose which sub account you want to create the snapshots from. So here, we only have one available sub account. So we'll choose the Clarity Coaching Solutions. So make sure to use clear and descriptive names. So for example, we can use coaching funnel basic setup or maybe CRM and pipeline starter snapshot. This makes it easier to identify and reuse it later. So for me, I'm going to use coaching funnel basic setup and then click on next. So it will take few seconds to load on the next page, and this page or step is very important. You can choose exactly what you want to include, such as funnels, workflows, pipelines, forms, calendars, and assets. So for clean snapshots, I usually avoid including contacts or conversations and focus only on system assets. So right now I have here custom fields, but I would only want to share maybe email. Okay, let me just try to think. Funnels, I want to share that. Also pipeline. Let me check what else I want to share. All right, workflow, and then click create. All right, there you go. So as you can see, we already have a snapshot created on this page. That's actually how you create a snapshot in GoHighLevel. So if you want to see how to install or apply a snapshot to a new account, I'll cover that in the next video. Thank you for watching.